Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove broadband noise from your audio recordings using Audacity. Broadband noise is that sort of microphone hum you get in the background of your recordings. It's not individual noises like bird cheeps and car horns and things like that. So I'm going to start by importing an audio file I recorded earlier. And this file is recorded in two sections. The section on the left was recorded with a higher quality microphone. That's the microphone you're listening to now. And the section on the right was recorded using my webcam's microphone. As you can see just from the waveforms, the webcam microphone is a lot noisier than the higher quality microphone on the left. One good tip is to always start with the best quality microphone that you have. Okay, let's play back this first one. And you will hear, even though we can't really see any noise in the waveform, there is some noise at the beginning and it's running through the entire recording. This is a recording I'm making with my Audio-Technica 2020 USB microphone. This is a very clean recording because it's a very good microphone. So we won't have too much noise to clear up, but there will still be some. So now we'll play back the webcam recording. Now I'm recording with my webcam's microphone. As you can hear, the audio is a lot noisier. We can see more noise in the waveform. The webcam also has a horrible frequency response, so you'll probably be getting a lot of bass tones from my voice, so there's a lot more work to do to clean this up. We'll start with the easy one, this one on the left. And noise removal in Audacity is really easy, and it consists of two stages. The first thing we do is we take an example of the noise that we want to remove, and we feed that into an algorithm that goes, okay, this is the noise, I'll look through the rest of your audio and I will remove what you've told me is noise. And you'll notice that at the beginning of each of these recordings I recorded a bit which is just noise. It's essentially just me sitting here with a microphone on recording and not saying anything. So when you make your recordings you should do the same thing, try and capture a bit of noise. So let's just hear this noise just on its own. So that's what we're trying to remove. So to do this in Audacity, we go up to the Effect menu, scroll down to Noise Reduction. So we're going to do step one first, which is to highlight the noise, which we've already done, and click Get Noise Profile. And now we highlight the part of the audio that we want to clean up. We go to Effect, go back down to Noise Reduction. And this time, instead of clicking Get Noise Profile, we're just going to click OK. And that will apply the noise reduction based on the noise profile that we captured. Before we press OK, we do have a couple of options. The noise reduction is the amount of the volume decrease you want to apply to the noise. The sensitivity affects how well the algorithm distinguishes between what is noise and what isn't noise. And the frequency smoothing applies kind of an EQ. I always set this one to 0 because I found it can add artifacts sometimes, but you may find it is better at a different value. And play around with these settings to find what works best for your recording. These are the settings that I found work best with my particular microphone. So I'll hit OK. And now if we play that part at the beginning again where there was noise, it's just silent. And that's removed that noise throughout the entire part of the recording that we highlighted. This is a recording I'm making with my Audio-Technica 2020 USB. So we can hear that one's cleaned up. Let's work on this one on the right now. This is the microphone of my webcam, which is placed a good distance away from me. It's on top of my computer monitor, about 2-3 feet away from me. So it's picking up a lot of the room as well as just the hum of the microphone. So it's quite an echoey noise as well as just being the microphone noise. So we'll do the same process again. We'll go to Effect, Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile, and then we'll highlight this whole section. Double click to highlight that. We'll go to Effect, Noise Reduction, and then hit OK. And we can see it's made a huge difference to this already. That's pretty much silent now. turn the volume up there because there will still be some residual noise. Very quiet. If we play it back though, you'll hear it's still a horrible recording because it was recorded with a horrible microphone, so it's going to be quite bassy still and the frequencies are all over the place. Now I'm recording with my webcam's microphone, as you can hear. So what we can do to improve that slightly, and this isn't noise reduction now, this is more audio manipulation, but we're going to go to Effect, we're going to go down to Filter Curve, and I've already applied a curve here, but we just click to add points, which we can drag around, and basically I'm just cutting off the bass a bit here, so I'll click OK on that. I'm also going to go to Effect, Compressor, and I'm going to leave these settings as they are. They may be a bit different on yours, so you can copy them down if you want. And then I'm going to hit OK, and that's just going to even out the volume level a bit. It will have improved this audio somewhat. Now I'm recording with my webcam's microphone. As you can hear, the audio is a lot noisier. We can see more noise in the... So that makes quite a big difference. So if I press undo and press undo again before we apply the filter curve, we can hear the difference. Now I'm recording with my webcam. And then we'll redo both of those. Now I'm recording with my webcam's microphone, as you can... So if you are having to use a horrible microphone to record your audio for whatever reason, maybe you can't get hold of a better microphone, then there are still some things you can do to improve the audio quality, like using the EQ and using the compressor. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button. If you want to see similar videos, please click the subscribe button to be notified when I post a new video. Share this with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.